So today we're going to be taking a look at the substitution method. The first thing I want to look at here is this y equals 3x plus 2. I'm going to ask you, what does y equals? Y equals 3x plus 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that 3x plus 2, and every place I have a y, I'm going to plug it in for that number right there. So here's what we're going to have. We're going to have x plus 2 y, which we said is 3x plus 2, equals 11. Now at this point we're actually pretty excited because this new equation that we have only has x's in it. So we know how to solve it when there's only x's. We're going to first distribute the 2. So we're going to have x plus 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times 2 is 4, equals 11. We're going to have 1x plus 6x is 7x, plus 4 equals 11. And we're going to say minus 4, minus 4. 7x equals 7, x equals 1. Okay? Now, we know that x equals 1. We have to take that x equals 1 and we have to plug it back into one of the equations. I'm going to pick this one right here because in order to solve these, we have to have an x and we have to have a y. So y equals 3 times 1 plus 2. Y equals 3 plus 2. Y equals 5. So our solution is 1, 5. In this equation right here, what does y equal? Well, y equals 2x plus 5. So every place I have a y, I'm going to replace that, substitute it in, with 2x plus 5. See what that looks like. We're going to have 3x plus 2x plus 5 equals 10. Now at this point we're actually pretty excited because our equation right here only has x's in it. So we have 3x plus 2x is 5x plus 5 equals 10. We're going to go minus 5, minus 5. 5x equals 5. Divide by 5, divide by 5. X equals 1. Now we have to take that x equals 1 and we have to plug that in to find our y. So we have y equals 2 times 1 plus 5. Y equals 7. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. So our solution is 1, 7. All right, now, what happens if we get to one like this where we don't have a y all by itself? Well, what we want to do is we want to take that equation of 3x plus y equals negative 7, and we want to make it so that it is a y all by itself, right? 3x plus y equals negative 7 minus 3x minus 3x, y equals negative 3x minus 7. So I just got it into y equals mx plus b form. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this and I'm going to plug it in for that y. So we're going to have negative 2x plus 4 times negative 3x minus 7, and that equals 0. So we're substituting it in. Now we're excited at this point because we only have x's, okay? And we're gonna go ahead and solve this. Distribute, negative 2x minus 12x minus 28 equals 0. Negative 2x minus 12x is going to be minus 14x minus 28 equals 0. We're going to add 28 and add 28. Negative 14x equals 28. Divide by negative 14. Divide by negative 14. X equals negative 2. I'm going to take that x equals negative 2 and I'm going to plug it into this equation over here. So we have y equals negative 3 times negative 2 minus 7. Y equals 6 minus 7. Y equals negative 1. So our solution is negative 2, comma, negative 1.